Loader daily maintenance precautions. First are the pin joints. Grease them daily. If the operating environment is poor, grease the pin joints every 2 to 3 hours. This is the grease fitting for the steering position. Every pin joint has a grease fitting like this. This is the grease fitting for the articulation position. Grease port for the oscillating axle. All grease fittings must be lubricated with grease. Do not miss any. Next is the air filter. The air filter should be removed daily. Remove this air filter cap and blow it out with compressed air. If blowing it out with compressed air doesn't solve the problem, it needs to be replaced. Then is the engine oil. First maintenance is at 150 hours. Second maintenance is at 500 hours. What needs replacement is the engine oil filter element. Inside there is an engine oil filter element. It needs to be opened. Clean during regular oil changes. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, replace it. Next is the transmission. Transmission first maintenance, also at 150 hours. Second maintenance, at 500 hours. During maintenance, transmission oil must be replaced. Then comes the torque converter filter element. Its first maintenance is also at 150 hours. The filter element requires replacement. After that is coolant antifreeze. Coolant first maintenance, at 1000 hours. Then the hydraulic tank. Inside there is a filter element. When replacing the filter element, loosen these screws. Extract the filter element. First maintenance, at 500 hours. When inspecting the hydraulic tank, observe the oil's color. If turbidity appears, it is necessary to check whether replacement is required. If clean and transparent, replacement is unnecessary. Finally, inspect tires and bucket teeth based on wear condition.